Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren C:/boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.